Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with keeping those gorgeous copper tones in your brunette hair looking fresh, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a product designed specifically to help you maintain vibrant copper hues, no matter how much your hair loves to fade. If you're ready to find out if this product can deliver on its promises, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon for more beauty tips, tricks, and honest reviews. Let's talk about Celeb Luxury's Viral Colorwash Copper for Brunette. This is a color depositing shampoo that not only helps add those stunning copper tones to color-treated hair, but also works to maintain them over time. It's a liquid formula that you use just like your regular shampoo, but with the added benefit of vibrant color upkeep. It's perfect for brunettes who want that extra warmth in their hair, or anyone who loves copper highlights. In terms of ingredients, this shampoo is designed to gently cleanse while depositing a beautiful copper hue. It's perfect for maintaining color between salon visits, especially if you have color-treated hair. The formula is sulfate-free, which is a huge plus for anyone who's looking to keep their hair healthy while still keeping up with the vibrancy of their shade. No harsh chemicals here, just nourishing elements that help your hair look and feel its best. Now let me share my experience. I've used this color wash for several washes now, and I'm impressed by how easy it was to incorporate into my routine. It has a rich, creamy texture that spreads well through the hair, and the copper tones are visible right after the first use. What I love most is that it doesn't leave your hair feeling dry, which is sometimes a concern with color depositing shampoos. The shampoo works gently, adding a touch of warmth without weighing down your hair or stripping it of moisture. I tried it both on freshly washed hair and in between washes, and the results were consistent. After each wash, my hair looked visibly warmer, with the copper tones popping even more. If you have medium to dark brown hair, this product works especially well to enhance those natural copper tones or any highlights you may have. It doesn't make your hair look orange or brassy, which is a major plus. Just a deep, rich copper that complements the natural undertones of brunette shades. But there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, if your hair is really light, or if you're not already a brunette with warm tones, the color might not show up as vividly as it does on darker hair. So, if you're a lighter blonde, this product might not have as much of an effect, or you might need to use it more often. Also, the shampoo can stain your hands, so I recommend wearing gloves or washing your hands immediately after use to avoid any unwanted color on your skin. Is it worth the price? For me, yes. It's a great value for anyone who wants to maintain their color without visiting the salon every few weeks. Plus, since it's sulfate-free, it won't damage your hair, making it a smart investment for color-treated hair that needs a little extra love. If you're looking for something similar, but more affordable, you could check out alternatives like the Kristen S Signature Shampoo, which also offers color maintenance without the price tag. Overall, I think this product lives up to its claims. It does what it promises by maintaining and enhancing copper tones without being too harsh on the hair. I'd recommend this to anyone with brunette hair, especially if you're a fan of warm tones or copper highlights. Whether you're maintaining an existing color or adding some richness to your brown locks, Viral Colorwash Copper can be a great addition to your hair care routine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product or have any questions about it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.